Hi, we're here at Bird of Paradise. This is my second room. And nandito ako, mag-e-edit kasi sabi ni Sir Jeremy Cruz mag-vlog ako. Kaya eto, nandito ako. Ha? Okay! Let's talk about Bird of Paradise. So as soon as we arrived at the hotel, they assisted us right away. They are very welcoming and hospitable. And of course, they are all wearing the most important thing that a staff should wear as they welcome the guest, which is the smile. Upon arrival at the hotel, you already can see everything. The room, the breakfast, swimming pool. Ambience is very relaxing, it's very peaceful kasi open siya talaga. The breakfast area is an open lounge where you can see already the swimming pool area. It's just beside the breakfast lounge. They designed the pool, the swimming pool area is like a rectangular-ish with lots of edges. But the stairs in the pool is like confusing for, I think there's 4 steps in the beginning and then there's a big flat area. And then a little further, there's another step and that will reach the main floor of the pool. We're here at Bird of Paradise. Bird of Paradise is a hotel that is very young, 2 months old. They just opened December 30. This is my last hotel for this trip. And ako lang mag-isa kasi si Jeremy biglang may project sa India. And kinailanganan niyang umalis agad. Itong Bird of Paradise is sobrang relaxing and sobrang kung kailangan ng alone time or yung self-retreat nyo. Isipan ako, may hirap magsalita. Hindi ko alam. Nag-start siguro to nung nagpunta kami sa Tibao Cave po. Ang ngongo. Ako ngayon na naman. Lagi na lang akong pag tuwing umaalis, lagi ako sinisipon. Ano ba yan? The pathway! I love how they incorporate the garden and then the pathway going to your room. It's like you're having your own garden. We are all looking forward to a place where we can relax and have a good night's sleep. Bird of Paradise is one of the fabulous hotels I've ever stayed. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just like to share what I have experienced at the hotel that I've stayed because I love doing hotel hopping. And finally, the room and bathroom. And I have transferred to my next room kasi nung binook namin yung room, dapat 1 day lang. Sabi ko, ay, gustuhan ko dito. So, next day na namin. May nakabook na the next day ngayon. So, they transferred me sa isang room. So, different naman siya. Let's see kung ano yung itsura sa loob. Wow! Ang ganda ng kulay. I love how they incorporate the rustic boho theme style. The color scheme of the room is very relaxing, is very cool to the eyes of the guests. It's mostly white and gray and then with a touch of brown and teal color and mint, which is my favorite, the same as my room. The interior design is very smart because they made everything very accessible. I like how they did the minimalist style. And let's go to the bathroom. The bathroom is one of the most important thing I want to check. Pero if there's no other choice, then I'll be fine with anything. But if I have a choice, of course, I'll always check the bathroom. The bathroom bathroom. Okay, I could sleep inside the bathroom because it's so huge, spacious, relaxing. You can really meditate inside. You can let go of anything like the bad entities you want to let go. The feeling of going inside the bathroom makes you want to sleep. The last day of my stay in Bohol, I visited the staff again in Bird of Paradise, and then they were like, "Ay, mama, mama."
Galing ba? Nagitulog. Ay! Live ba yan?
Dami energy.
I will subscribe to you po.
Ayan. Phone mo ba talaga yan or sa company yan?
Sa phone ko, bawal kayo.
Thank you. Bye-bye ninyo. Daming energy talaga ni. Nakapag-Mobile Legends ba kayo ngayon? Hindi.
Magabi lang po.
Parang sad pa kayo na kagabi lang kayo na kanan. Hello.
Subscribe. Nashock talaga ako na. Bisaya niya tuloy mo.
Okay lang yan. Gusto ko turuan niyo ako mag-Bisaya para pagdating ko dito, oh, bari-bari. Eh, magaling kaya kayo mag-Tagalog.
Pero may accent.
Eh, okay lang. Meron bang accent yung Tagalog? Parang wala naman.
Pero pag Bisaya kasi yung ano.
Parang normal lang. Huwag kayo ma-conscious. Ano ba yan? Okay lang
Pag
yan.
may mga Tagalog kami, hindi ko.
Conscious kayo. Communicate. Pero mas okay kayo mag-English kesa, ano, Bisaya.
Tagalog, ano? Dapat ano pagkaunan yung mga words na Tagalog kasi.
No, huwag kayo mahiya. Okay lang yun. May moments ba na tinawanan kayo?
May isa nga.
Meron?
Ganda ng accent mo ate pag nagtatagalog.
Oo. Di ba compliment yun? Oo.
Parang bakit parang sarcastic?
Ay, talaga ba?